Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to accompany you to explore about what features that actually Google Chat offers to the user. So here, to understand what features that actually Google Chat offers to us, is just go open the Google Chat first. For example, you just need to go slide your screen into the left side until you are accessing the app library. In this app library, you just need to type a chat. Okay, whenever you find it already, just click it to open it. So here I would like to show you the first feature. So you just need to go click these three straight lines here to access this Google Chat features. The first features is gonna be this one. So this one, you can control it to make you active, or you are in a do not disturb mode. If you activating the DND mode, means that there will no notification gonna appear into your phone when you activate this mode. And you can also do to the status for your Google Chat account by click it. You can just write anything you want to be your status of Google Chats. Okay, that's the first features that we already explored. And then for the next, let's go into the Google Chat room here. You can just open one of the Google Chat, or you can also start a new chat here, for example, and just type who you want to add to. Okay, for example, I already have the room chat here. So now what actually we can do, or what actually we can use about the Google Chat features, is just go into this plus button. So this plus button will be bring you into the attachment that you can use to send anything through this Google Chat. You can send photos, you can access the camera to take photos directly by the Google Chat application. You can also send a GIF through the Google Chat room. You can also create an online meeting from the Google Chat itself. You can also access the Google Drive account from the Google Chat. You can also access the files on your device through Google Chat. Even you can also send the calendar or the dates or events through the Google Chat. And the last features is just the format. You can also do a formatting over the text that you want to send into your friends. Okay, and what is the other features? The other features is right here. You will be having access to do a video or call chat through Google Chat. So this chat will be generate you with a Gmail account, so that you will have in chat audio or phone with your Google or Gmail account. So that's it. That's the features that Google Chat offers to the user. So hopefully today's information is get you so well. So don't forget to subscribe into this channel.